morning, guys. It is June 29, 2020, Monday morning. Today I gotta go turn water back onto a house. The guy had gotten a sailboat, went down to Florida and came back, I guess. Gotta turn the water back onto his house. And he wants me to change an outside faucet out back. So maybe I'll get you some footage of changing a faucet out. It says it's leaking. I might be able to fix it. I'll have to see what he's talking about. Sometimes you can't even get them apart. They're so crusted. Rusty on there, you know. It's better off just swapping them out, put a new one on there. It's quicker, faster, everything. But I think he said he wanted to go with a frost-free one instead of the old style. Sometimes when you do that, you got to drill the hole out bigger. I'm not saying it can't be done. It sticks out a lot further. I think the other one was in the wall coming down and then it went out. So if it goes with a frost-free, it's going to be sticking into the cellar. Sometimes it's not a big issue. Looks like it's going to rain today. Anyway, that's the deal before we get there. I don't know what I'm going to find. I know he's got a well there. We'll probably shut all the valves off.
End of the street. Turn right.
Hopefully we got no leaks. I guess we'll find out. Oh yeah, next level. Gonna be next level, y'all. Anyway, I got a full day's worth of work ahead of me, so I'll get some footage today, hopefully. Piss off some more trolls.
Russell's News Road.
Piss off some more trolls. Post some shit on YouTube and piss them off. Gotta love it. Keeps dripping. I got it off inside. I'm gonna take it apart and check the washer. Might have to just replace it. Looks like the inside faucet's not doing so well, is it? The inside shutoff's gotta be replaced too. Maybe not. See if it even come apart. Oh man. Huh? Well, maybe there was some schmag in there. Don't take much to block them filters, I guess. What a shit show. I'm probably gonna have to replace this thing. Unbelievable. When in doubt, cut it out. Maybe I could try a new washer in there. Thing's probably hard. Sometimes it'll just break off. It ain't gonna come off. It's just breaking apart there. Nope. I need to get put a new faucet in there. I gotta put a new one. Can't get it off. Oh well. Trying to save the guy a couple of bucks. Change it. Well, one's threaded. No, that's soldered on there. That one's soldered on there. I could probably unsolder it. And solder a new one on there just right like that. Boom, done with it. Alright, so I'm going to heat this up with a torch. There's probably going to be water that's going to... There's going to be water that has to steam out of there. So it might take me a little bit. For this neighborhood. Pipe comes down the wall, way down and then out, so it's got a lot of play in it. Good enough for this neighborhood, mama. Be careful, thing's gonna want to spin on me. She's loose as a goose. In the caboose. This is a caboose. She's loose as a goose, mama. Loose as a goose. There we go. Nah, it's probably hot. There it is. It's loose as a goose. It's loose as a goose. You ever hear that saying?
Oh yeah. That's a big Arkansas.
That's an Arkansas saying?
Yes. There's another thing. Arkansas.
Alright.
It's slick, and whenever you're really on a slick floor or you're slick ice or anything like that, it's slicker than loose doo-doo on a linoleum floor.
Alright, let's have to turn it on the water and check it. It should be good.
Like a charm. Whatever you did.
Whatever I did's working?
Yeah, whatever you did to it. I don't know what you did, but it fixed it.
I prayed for it.
That's what we all need.
No, I just cleaned out the screens. That was that were in there. And
the screen. So you just.
Good enough for this neighborhood.